Hello, and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about something that can happen to anyone, accidentally deleting contacts on your Android phone. Maybe you are cleaning up your address book or trying to merge duplicates, and suddenly you realize that you've lost an important phone number. Don't worry, there's still hope. Today, we'll go through 2 simple and effective ways to restore deleted contacts on Android. Whether your contacts were synced with Google or stored locally, there are solutions you can try to get them back. Let's get started. Method 1. Restore from your contact phone. First, open Contact app on your phone, then tap the 3 dots icon at the top right corner. Click on Contact Settings. Scroll down and select Recently Deleted. Here, you will find contacts that have been deleted. But you need to remember, the deleted box that appears here is if the contact is deleted before 30 days. If it has been more than 30 days, then the contact will not appear here. Select the contact you want to restore, then select Restore. And yep, your contact successfully restored. But, if the first method doesn't work, you can try the second method. Method 2. Restore contacts using Google account. If your contacts were synced with your Google account, restoring them is very easy, even if they were deleted days ago. Here's how to do it. Open your Google app on iPhone. Inside the Google app, tap the profile icon, or initial at the top right corner of the screen. Then select the Google account that was used to back up contacts previously. And tap on Manage your Google account. Swipe right menu, then select People and Sharing, then tap Contacts. Here, you will see all the contacts that have been backed up. To find deleted contacts, click the gear icon above, then select Undo Changes. Here will appear several options. Please remember when you deleted the contact. Was it 10 minutes ago? Or 1 hour ago? Or yesterday? Or maybe 1 week ago? Or, if you have deleted it more than 1 week, click Custom, and specify the date, hour and minute you deleted it. Then click Undo. At the bottom of the screen will appear a description of when your contacts will be restored. So please wait until the time listed. Losing contacts can feel like losing a part of your digital life, but as you can see, there are ways to recover them. Always make sure your Google account sync is active, and consider setting up regular backups to avoid this situation in the future. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech guides. See you in the next video.